the next day.
Yeah, go lay down, Stryker.
Hold on, let me help him.
Go do one of my numbers. Tucking them in the bed.
Good night, Stryker. Have a good night, man.
Are you?
So, beloved,
Got 6 minutes. So
hmm?
while
You
What?
out.
can't leave us like that. You cannot leave us like that, ma'am.
Wait, what is the plan here then? I need to understand the plan.
What plan?
We said it with you all night last night.
Yeah.
We can't have another night, really? I'm not tired.
You not tired.
He's not tired.
Yeah, he's snoring, Emily.
I'm not gonna do it to him, y'all. I did, but I'm not gonna do it to him. Do you hear this? Y'all don't hear this shit? I can't believe y'all don't hear it.
No.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm getting my phone. It's ridiculous. It's
Imagine all us in a log cabin together, and we hear him snore.
No, that's not gonna work. No. Nope, it's not gonna work. You know
Maybe
what?
he keeps the lions,
Let me tell you
tigers, and
something.
bears away from
No,
us.
he wouldn't even. No, they would think he was trying to challenge them for their female. I don't know what.
Be a mad warrior.
So mad as a mofo. Hold on, y'all. Wait.
Okay.
Oh my god. Waiting. I'm waiting. Shh. Oh shit, he's doing. He don't give a shit. Hold on.
How she gonna tell us to shush? And we're not even talking like that. Like, bruh,
Who?
that woman up there.
You get him? Did you get him?
Did you get him?
All right, I'm back. Alright. All right. Let me tell y'all something. Hold on.
Good gracious. That's like somebody trying to blow their nose. It sound like somebody trying to blow their nose. It sound like a book. It sounded like a listen. It sounded like a booger was stuck up there. They just blowing.
I'm sorry.
I am dead.
It
I'm
sound.
so sorry.
Oh God,
I'm
no.
dead.
So
Oh
sorry.
no.
Oh shit, man. It gets worse, man.
It sound like somebody scraping ice off their car window.
It's horrible, y'all. It's horrible. Y'all don't understand what's going on over here, y'all. I'm gonna put my phone on the couch and come back. Hold on.
Oh
Yo, you know what? Just forget it.
no. It sound like somebody look. Sound like somebody trying to drag a dress across the floor. That's a heavy dresser, boy.
Stop talking. Please stop talking. I can't breathe right. Nothing, look. Just shut the hell up.
sound like a rake. It sound like a rake.
You're such an ass. What? Cut that out. Ow.
Somebody scraping cement, boy.
Please stop.
Shut up.
All right, let me think. No, because because I can't escape it. I don't understand what's happening right now.
He's stuck in your house now. Your husband go wake up. Damn it, beloved, go wake him up. Go let him sleep in the back of the truck.
No, my ass. I'm sleeping in my closet. I'm going in the closet. I'm curling up. I'm throwing my shit down off the shelf, and I'm just gonna put the shit on the floor. I'm like, no, listen, no, wait, this is bullshit. Y'all just wait. I'm gonna get you some.
You better get some earplugs.
No, I'm gonna get you guys more evidence. Hold on.
Oh Lord, you got some more.
She done got
Lord,
more.
you got some more.
She done got more.
Listen.
Sound like bad wind.
SK.
I can't stop laughing. Y'all don't understand what y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand what y'all about to hear.
Let's hear
it. Run it.
What was that? What was that? I heard him. I heard him without you putting the phone up.
I can't do this. I can't do this, y'all. I can't stand this to do it.
SK, it sound like fireworks.
Wait, guys, please.
Sound like fireworks.
Yo, wait. Hold up, ready.
I still hear him. I hear him.
I can't do it, y'all. My stomach hurt. I'm in a bad way. Listen, I'm gonna let y'all hear this real quick. Oh my God, this is gonna hurt so bad.
Good job. What job?
She can't do it.
She cannot go in there. Go.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, SK.
Go get him. Go get him.
Listen, I go to sneak around. Wait, listen. I go to sneak around the corner, and he's not laying down anymore.
You woke up. What you do? Scare himself and woke up? He scared himself.
And now he's sitting up straight, so he must have realized that laying back wasn't working. He scared the shit out of me, man. When I ran around the corner, I didn't expect him to be sitting down. So I couldn't get back here fast enough. Oh man. Oh, my rib hurts. I think I broke something in my rib.
He was so scared. He scared himself.
I went around the corner. I was like, funny. Oh my gosh.
He must have
Oh,
scared himself sleeping.
that shit is so funny.
He scared himself, man.
Oh damn, where's my flashlight? I gotta look before I just.
Yes, she said her real.
I need my flashlight. No, my rib hurts really bad. I can't laugh. Smith, if this is anything what it feels like when you say, so sorry, yo, this is not right. And I'm gonna have to change something about this because oh my god. I
Yeah, my stomach is
don't know.
already
He
on
started
fire.
again, y'all. You can't do this to me. I can't stay up and do this at the same time. I can't. I promise y'all I can't. I would, but I can't.
It's like a bad air conditioner.
No, stop. I'm trying. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh, all right. We'll talk about something. I don't got much,
I hope you don't have
I
no
don't got
charger
much
because
time. I don't got much time, y'all. He gonna do it. And I'm gonna die. I might die laughing tonight. Look, if I die laughing tonight, just know I died happy. Okay. That's
but
it. I
when
died
I get
happy.
him no
I
charger,
died at the top. I died at the top. I don't need shit else. Okay. I'm good.
I said,
Died
how
at
she
the
died?
top.
She died from
but
listening to
don't get him
snoring.
no phone charger.
How what?
Don't
How
get him
did
no
she
phone
die?
charger because he will sleep in
I'm
here.
trying to keep y'all in my ear because
Do
He don't
not
go
get
back
him
to
no
sleep.
phone charger.
He don't go back to
mhm,
sleep.
yes,
You hear him?
yes.
Go get him again.
Hey guys, let me show you guys my picture that I bought today.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's
See, it
cute.
looks sad. I look happy.
He look happy.
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Yep, it looks sad and happy. See it change?
Yeah.
That's cute.
You know, change the subject. That's good.
Why did you bring it back though? I'm
Right.
telling you, I'm laughing so hard. I'm low on oxygen and I'm feeling high. All right? You'll just need to understand. I'm losing it. And as soon as wait, as soon as he fights, as soon as he,
Yeah, went back to snoring.
oh my god, I can't take it. Come on, no, like, what am I gonna do?
You in trouble. You in trouble.
He's
Sis, I gotta say that you are in trouble.
You in trouble tonight.
this is not fair. This is not fair.
You better put him in that fish tank behind you.
Oh, this is serious. There's a real person sleeping.
You better wake him up. Bruh. Bruh. You gotta go home. You gotta go home. I don't care how
But
long
he's
it take
speaking
you.
real. That's real choices. He don't even. He lives in South Carolina, man.
You tell him go home. You can snore your way home.
Oh, oh my god, I'm having so many thoughts go through my head right now.
Take that lawnmower somewhere else.
Yo, imagine having a one night stand and that pool starts snoring like. Oh my god, I'm so done. I don't
Yeah,
care what
one
stand it is.
one
I don't
night
care what
stand.
the hell stand. Whatever. I'm just saying. You don't know, dude. I mean, he's been my cousin this long. I never knew he's doing like that.
Yeah, but one night it won't be a one night stand. It'll be a couple hours and I'm gone.
What?
It won't be a one night stand. It'll be a couple of hours. I'm gone.
Oh lordy. Look, y'all know where y'all ribs, the low part. Wait, it really hurt my stomach, guys. My stomach is really hurt. My stomach's really hurt.
I'm gonna be quiet.
And he's loud. Y'all hear his ass. All right, he's done. His ass. He's fighting. I'm going in, guys.
You can't laugh in his face. She gonna laugh in his face. That means that'd be funny. He back up again.
He was like, "Oh, so what you doing?"
Mm-hmm. Sleeping with his eyes open.
Guys, listen.
Beloved. Beloved.
Shut up.
Beloved.
Oh my god. Oh,
Beloved.
that hurt.
Beloved. Beloved. What if you went in there and he was asleep like this right here looking at you? Come on. Look.
Country. That's what took me. Country.
Hmm?
Listen, he wasn't doing anything. So I was like, is he awake? Does he know I'm coming? Because he's still sitting up. It's like he's laughing. Oh, wait. He coughed. I hit the floor. I hit the floor like I went down like this on my hands and knees, like, and I got my phone behind the couch.
Oh,
Why am I looking like a suspect in my own house? I'm hiding. That's so wrong. I'm not. Oh God, I don't know what the hell. But then I come back over here and he starts.
he's snoring with his eyes open, looking at you.
Yo, stop, just stop. Don't do it.
Beloved.
What?
Look. Beloved, I see you.
Joe, I would melt. I would freaking melt if he said that to me. I would die.
Snoring with his eyes open.
I would die, yo. I would die of embarrassment. I wouldn't know what to say. Oh my god, guys. Mm-mm. Yo, I can't laugh. I don't want to laugh no more. Oh, it hurts. Okay.
Alright, I'm done.
Ooh. Oh, I gotta breathe it out, yo. I'm about to catch a Charlie horse in my stomach.
How you catch a Charlie horse in your
I'm
stomach?
about to catch. I don't know. I gotta go to. It sounds like he's answering me. This snoring, yo. He's getting all loud and stuff. Oh God, help, yo. Yo, he's starting again. That's like, what the hell? Yo, it.
I heard that. I heard it. I heard
Country.
it.
I need you to stop laughing.
I heard it.
Please stop laughing. You're not helping me.
Sound like somebody popped the firecracker.
No, y'all. Keep y'all sounds to yourself. Just please. This is so wrong. Oh God. He's doing it. Wait, I'll be right back.
No. No. Somebody trying to crack up a lawnmower.
Now y'all know what I was going through when I was sitting over here minding my business trying to talk with y'all. Out of nowhere, this is what happens. Mhm. You guys, I got 1 degree hotter, y'all. I put it on 69. Y'all would be proud of me. I put it on 69 so the air would stop.
My head hurt.
Hey, that's what I was trying to tell y'all. This shit was, it was real, right?
I'm hurting right here.
My
But
stomach is on fire. Stop. Stop.
Oh no.
I can't. I can't. Oh gosh, it hurts, Lord. I think we need an intermission. Right? We need like
Oh God, no.
Oh my god, I'm
SK,
done.
SK, don't type. Don't do it to me, girl.
I'm
Oh,
crying.
here. No, he's still going down.
That's bad.
Yo, I
Uh,
think. Well,
mm-mm.
oh man, I don't know. I don't know if my stomach hurts, if I have to pee, if my feet hurt. I don't know. Like, am I about to get a cramp in my booty cheek? Like, I'm having a lot of feelings in my body right now, and I
I
can't.
ain't never, I ain't never heard
Please,
nobody snore that fast.
please don't start. It hurts so bad. Please.
I'm a hush.
Yo, my insides are burning. My insides are literally burning. Like, like burning from laughing. My muscles are, yeah. Oh,
She said
yeah.
her
I'm
too.
not gonna be no good tomorrow, ladies. No, I could, man. Huh. I never knew it would hurt to talk. I never knew.
SK
Stop
said
laughing.
she said she ain't laugh like that in a
No, no,
while.
I'm not done. SK, listen, I'm look, the laugh is still stuck in my body and I don't want it there. But it's please, please spit the laugh. Oh no, don't do it. No, because I'm on borrowed time. Because as soon as he starts again, my business either pushes me over the edge.
Yeah, like he throwing.
All right, just keep stabbing me. Go ahead. Just do it. Just good. Just take me down. Go
SK,
ahead.
stop. SK, stop.
Just,
I'm done. I'm done.
I think I think
Stop.
the pain is coming from my stomach through my lower back. Like I'm in labor. I'm not in labor. Okay. I might. I actually might. I might push out an organ or something because I don't know what the hell's going on. Okay. I'm feeling weird. Uh-huh. Look, everything under boobs, from the boobs to my butt, I'm having problems. Okay. From where my my base to under my boobs, I'm having serious medical emergency, and both my kidneys. Um, yo, you can't. No, you could die. Wait, let me look up dying from laughing because I
You
might be
can.
that one. I might
You
be that
You
can.
one in
can.
five
You
thousand.
can.
Yep.
I know. Look, I'm telling you, I feel like I'm in labor. Y'all better read me through this.
Mm.
Let me tell you something. If I get a stomach cramp, it's over. Okay. Don't do it. SK, I tell you to stop typing because I feel it coming up in me. SK, I'm gonna have another laughing contraction. I can't do that, SK. It's not time. Okay. Oh, damn, I can't even type this shit. What am I looking up? I need to know if I'm about to die. Dear Google.
No, you need to.
Don't let me ask it. I can't even ask it. I'm trying to find out if I'm about to die. Okay.
I'm not. That's why I'm out of the camera. That's a.
Lo, shut up.
I ain't saying that. I'm out of the camera.
Sometimes laughing too hard can be dangerous.
Look, Emily said, "For God's sakes, in the live."
There was a philosopher, a Greek philosopher, who died at his own joke. Oh, I mean, who laughed at his own joke, only to die after. Can you guys imagine if I died just from doing this damn video? Just from, and then all you guys have left is 3 snoring videos. Just listen for video number 2 when I hit the floor because I'm nervous. And he was going to pat me out. Okay, make sure you note that sound and let everybody know, that I was really giving it my full effort to get you guys the sound. All right, good job. Don't laugh. Please don't laugh.
We need help.
Please don't giggle, don't laugh. All right, so well, look, guys, laughing itself doesn't kill you, but wait. All right, so all
Nope.
right, let me see this
SK.
on.
Nope. Don't read the comment. Don't read that comment. Don't read the comment, beloved. Lord have mercy.
This is really this guys like oh shit. If this is what that feels like, it's kind of torturous, but great at the same time. Ah, oh, damn. Oh, oh, I gotta breathe. Oh, okay. Yo,
Emily talking about
my,
after.
Emily have a good point. Emily have a good point.
my stomach hurt like I took 20 boxes of X-Lax.
Good
It
God.
hurts so bad.
You
I
might
don't have to wait.
you might need to
I,
stand up. You might need
no,
to
I
stand
don't.
up.
I don't have to go to the bathroom. I don't have to pee, but my stomach is oh my.
You might have to
So
stand up. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Now breathe. You gotta breathe. Breathe in through your nose and let out your mouth. That's all. Do your breathing.
if I was being honest, can't breathe deep. This fool that made me kill my damn stomach.
He getting up.
Wait. I'm not ready to confront him with this. Wait. I want to talk about it, bro. Wait, hold on.
Don't you fall back in that chair. She's setting her own self up.
Right.
She's setting her own. Look at she slumped over.
No, I can't. No.
SK, I'm done with you.
Listen, he's sitting in the chair. Yeah, in the chair. Fully asleep, rocking his ass
He's sleep rocking.
at the edge of the seat, though, not laying back or nothing. I thought he was getting up. I thought it was up. At first, I thought he was putting his shoes on. But he was just rocking at the end of the chair like this. Supposed to tell his ass that he needs a sleep apnea machine immediately because that is not normal snoring. Is there anybody who knows about sleep apnea? Because he needs
Vince.
one. He needs a machine. Vince, does he sound like you at night? Smidge, if Vince sounds like him, y'all can't get married, honey. I'm sorry.
Well, Vince don't even use it no more. I don't think.
Y'all
That's
can't
that
get married.
bullshit. Unless he fixed it. I can't do no
On
more.
the porch. Better just go wake him up. Tell him lay down or something. Go wake him up.
I don't want to wake him up. I'm shy.
Go wake him
He's
up, beloved.
sleeping. I feel weird. What the hell am I gonna say to him? If I wake him up, I'm gonna start laughing, and I'm gonna die in my living room on the floor, and he's not gonna know what the hell happened.
Oh, wake him up
And
and
y'all
tell him.
asses are gonna be sitting here waiting for me to come back, and I'll be dead in the living room because I died laughing.
Oh, tell him,
Dude,
man, you snoring loud.
what am I supposed to say? Because
Wake, look, you all right? You snoring.
no. The conversation, no. I don't want to think it. Oh my God, my voice is going in my head. I'm already having the conversation. I don't want to hear myself have the conversation with him. I don't want to wake him up.
You gotta wake him up. You gotta wake him up.
He's hurting me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow.
Go fix him a glass of warm milk. I don't know what that do, but just wake him up. He's sitting up. He's sitting up snoring, right? He needs to lay down.
Close. Close. All right.
Look, they'll put some cotton balls in your ear tonight.
Los, Los,
Hmm?
you're not listening to me.
Pops. Pops here.
Pops,
You,
Pops,
you missing it?
Pops, you're not missing it. Pops, you are missing it. You missing? I'm dying, Pops.
So am I.
Please don't. Bitch. Y'all don't understand. This ain't funny. I am really trying here to be as calm and serious as possible because y'all don't know what's going on inside of my body right now. This is not a game, ladies and gentlemen.
Pops.
I'm on fire. My muscles are contracting and on fire. My muscles.
Hold up, listen. Mute your mic so you can't hear us. I'm gonna explain to Pop what's going on.
Okay.
Play another one.
There you go.
He's killing me. He's killing me.
Wake him up and tell him to meet Pops halfway.
Please stop right now.
Oh, my bad. My bad. Look, she's not safe in her own house.
Please.
She gotta go to sleep to that.
Country, listen, okay?
No, that's Stryker being crazy. It's not us.
Hell no, that's not. No, listen. Listen to me.
Excuse me. Whew. Lord have mercy. That sneeze got me dizzy. Lord have mercy.
My laugh doesn't have sound anymore. Do you understand? The place where my sound was, where my laughter, is broken.
So you don't laugh the laugh out of you, boy. That's
I can't use those muscles. I can't use those muscles anymore. They don't work anymore. No.
Well, look. Well, at least she ain't gotta laugh no more because hearing that all night.
No, it's still happening, man. I mean,
You need to go wake him up. Wake
I
him up.
don't. See, you really don't understand. This is serious. Okay, we just diagnosed him with sleep apnea.
He must be still snoring. She about to fall out her chair, boy.
Yes, you better fall.
Rick, please stop making noise. All right. All right. Laughing too hard, okay, may prevent adequate breathing or cause a person to stop breathing, depriving their body of oxygen. This type of death is likely with nitric oxide overdose. So basically, if you took the laughing gas and inhaled it, yeah. It,
Don't look at the chat.
but I already did what
Read it.
you.
Don't you look at
Hold
the
up.
comments. Smith, don't read it out loud. Don't. Stop laughing, Smidge.
Please, thank you, Lowe's. Talk to her about
It's country talk.
it.
What's wrong? What's what's wrong?
I'm gonna wake him up and we're gonna talk them all together like one big family, okay?
Oh Lord. Wake him up. Y'all can talk to him. I'm gone.
We gotta tell him, y'all. Can we tell him?
Tell him what.
Los, I think you're very straightforward, man, and I think you would be the best.
He'll stop snoring if you spray perfume.
You want me to put something? Does that work?
He say if you spray perfume in the room, he is sleeping and he will stop snoring. He says it's true.
All right, I got some by the door. Let me go make that happen.
Yeah. He said it works. Pop said it works.
I just can't
That does with
physically
you.
stand up right now. Okay.
That's bad. That's bad. Have he ever done that? I mean, have you
No,
ever?
no, this has never happened to me. I'm having a lot of firsts lately. And Smith, can you please stop smiling at me? Why?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, you stay like that, Smith. You
SK,
laughing behind the pillow.
SK, SK, can we make a deal? SK, I'm going to DM you his phone number, okay? You call him. He's going to wake up because his cell phone is on his body, right?
Yeah,
He
wake up,
wake
call him SK, and then
Yo,
hang up.
I feel so lightheaded, yo. I feel so lightheaded. I feel deliriously lightheaded.
Pop say I'm in drug testing Orcoville.
No, please. You do whatever you need, Pops. But this tonight is the problem, okay?
Mandatory drug test.
What has me high tonight is the problem, Pops. Okay? That's the problem. Los. I can't talk to you all about it because it makes me want to laugh again and I can't laugh, Los.
See, what kind of drug you on? It's called Snore.
I figured it out. You hate me. You don't even like me.
I know.
You're not even my friend.
But yes, I
You were
am.
here to kill me. You don't
No,
give a shit. No.
no.
No, I'm done with you.
He is having a Carlos moment. He is not Los
No,
anymore
no, no, no.
tonight.
Just because no, your ass. No, just because I call him out. Y'all both are not good for me. Okay?
I'm your friend.
Look at y'all smiles on y'all face right now.
I'm
I'm
not.
dying.
I'm not
I'm
smiling.
dying.
I'm not smiling. My face stuck like this. I'm not smiling.
SK. Oh, what this? This why did you?
See, you weren't supposed to read the comments.
Wait for it. Just wait for it. I'll be right back. I'm gonna see if I can help him out.
Okay.
I love y'all. Okay.
Love you too.
Y'all can stay on this beat as long as y'all want. If I die, I'm
You
not
like,
going back to this game. No. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go handle that. Okay, and I'm gonna go handle that. I'll be right back. Okay. Let me see what I can do. Y'all want music?
Yes, please, or something.
I can't put these in. I can't put these earbuds in because I don't want to hear y'all right now.
you straight?
Smidge, can you cover your face again? I don't want to look at you. You cheesing. Don't look dead like somebody killed you though. Don't do that part. Okay, look, sleep. Hang in there, guys. And if I don't come back, great times. Great times. Okay? It's been wonderful. All right? It's been wonderful.
Thank you for coming out. God bless. Good night.